Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming which service is running and the port number. You need that to avoid conflicts. Once done, open the project in VS Code and locate Launch. JSON or the dev server config file to edit. Make sure you have permission to change ports, especially for privileged ports below 1024. This is the first actionable step. Change the port entry in the config file while keeping a copy of the original file so you can revert if needed. Now edit the configuration that starts your server in Launch. JSON change the args or port in package. JSON update the start script or change the server file's listen port. Once edited, update any env or settings. JSON values used by extensions or runtime so everything points to the new port. Make sure to restart the debugger and the extension host. This forces VS Code to pick up the new configuration. If you use container or remote development, rebuild or reconnect. Finally, run your application and navigate to http://localhost, followed by the new port to verify it serves correctly. If it doesn't, make sure the OS firewall or container port mapping allows the port and that no other process is bound to it. For debugging, check the terminal and VS Code debug console logs to see binding errors. If you see idrenews, pick another port or stop the conflicting process. Once working, commit the config change and document the new port for teammates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.